Welcome to Chitku's classroom.
So now let's solve some problems of the comparing we learned today. So the first one is 3 4 by 7 and 4 2 by 7. These are mixed fractions with a different whole number. So how can we compare mixed fractions with the different whole number? We have to look at the whole numbers. These are the whole numbers, 3 and 4. The greatest whole number is the greatest fraction. So 4 is 4 greater or is 3 greater? So 4 is greater. So the mixed fraction 4 2 by 7 is greater. And next 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. These are unlike fractions. We have to use the LCM and then multiply and then convert it into equivalent fractions with the denominator as the LCM. So here the LCM is 15 because 5 and 3 are not possible in any table. So if two numbers are not possible in any number, we have to multiply those numbers. 5 times 3 is 15. So the LCM is 15. And so by which number we should multiply so we can get the denominator as 15? Yes, 5 3 is 15, and we should also multiply 3 for the numerator. 4 times 3 is 12, and 2 by 3. We should multiply 5 because 3 times 5 is 15. And next we should also multiply by 5 for the numerator. 2 times 5 is 10. So 12 by 15 and 10 by 15. So 12 by 15 is greater than 10 by 15. 12 by 15 and 10 by 15, they're like fractions. So is 12 greater or is 10 greater? 12 is greater, so the fraction 12 by 15 is greater. 12 by 15 is the equivalent fraction of 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 3, which is also 10 by 15. The equivalent fraction of 10 by 15 is 2 by 3. Next, 2 by 8 and 6 by 8. So these are like fractions because they have the same denominator. When the denominator is same in the like fraction, so when they are like fractions, we should compare the numerators. So we have to compare which numerator is greater. So is 3 greater or is 6 greater? So 6 is greater. So the numerator 6 is greater. So the fraction 6 by 8 is the greatest. Next, 7 by 6 and 7 by 9. Unlike fractions with the same numerator. So these are unlike fractions but with the same numerator. In this case, unlike fractions with the same numerator, we have to look at the denominator. So the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. So is 6 small or is 9 small? So 6 is small. So the fraction 7 by 6 is the greatest fraction. And next 3 1 by 2 and 3 1 by 4. These are mixed fractions with the same whole number. So if the whole number are same, we should look at the fractional part. This is the fractional part. 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So we had to do the LCM. The LCM is 4. Next we had to multiply 2. We had to multiply 2 with 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. And next we had to multiply 2 again for 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 by 4. We had to multiply 1 by 4. We had to multiply 4 into 1 because 1 times 4 is 4. And next we have to multiply 1 again for 1 here for the numerator. And 1 times 1 is 1. And 2 by 4 and 1 by 4 are like fractions now. So now let's look at the numerator. Which numerator is greater? Is 2 greater or is 1 greater? 2 is greater. So the fraction 2 by 4 is greater. So 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. It's the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. So the fraction 3 1 by 2 is greater than 3 1 by 4. So this is how we compare fractions. Thanks for watching Chitku's classroom. I hope you understand how to compare and order fractions. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching Chitku's classroom.